Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a blog or how to start a blog in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to start your blog on, click on edit website. This is my website in the website editor, and as you see here, I don't have a blog uh, yet on this website. So to add a new blog, simply go to more and look for blog. It is the first in the list. Click on it, then click on start a blog. As you see, a new page called blog is added to the header section of my website, and also a new page on my website. And by default, Hostinger writes 4 blog posts for me. Now I need to update my website to publish this new blog section. Let's view my website live. And this is the new blog section on my website. And those are the default blog posts that Hostinger adds for me. Now that you have a new blog section on your website, let's see how to write your first blog article or blog post. Go back to the website editor, then go to more, or here now after adding a new blog, you will have a shortcut here called blog. Click on it, and here you will see all your blog posts. From here you can see the ones in the draft, the scheduled one, and the published one. To delete this blog posts or these default blog posts, simply click on these 3 dots and select delete. Repeat this with all those 4 blog posts. And to write your first blog post, simply click on add new post. Here you can create your blog post with AI by simply giving it the tone of voice from formal, neutral, or casual, the length of the content or the article starting from 300 to 2000 words. Here you can describe your blog post, for example, 10 tips for creating marketing campaigns that skyrocket sales and strengthen your brand. After that, click on create content, and Hostinger AI will write your blog post for you. You can go with AI or write it yourself by clicking on it from here. After clicking on writing your blog post yourself, here you can select the blog post header and click on edit blog header. From here you can edit the text, the article or the blog post title size, the visibility of description. You can hide it or show it like that. Same thing for the post categories, author, date published. You can hide it or show it, and also the reading time. You can even edit the text color, for example, to light or dark. And from here you can edit the top and the bottom size, also the background color. You can pick a color. Let's go with black, and for the text white, and this is the opposite. You can even select an image for this section like that. You can edit the overlay opacity, or you can pick a video for this section as a video background. Now to write your blog post, you can delete this first image from here and place this text element first in the list. Double click it, double click it, and you can start writing your article. Just type, click enter, and you will add a new line. Keep writing. Let's say this is a title or subtitle. Select it like that. You can make it heading 2, and then subtitle. You can make it heading 3 or 4, Let's make it just heading 3. You can make something, or you can center your something like that. For example, let's say when you select center, everything is centered. So here, to fix this, simply duplicate this, or instead of duplicating it, copy it like that, place it a little bit down, click on add a new text element like that, double click it, delete, paste your title, and you can center only this subtitle from here, and then return to the rest. Let's delete this. Now let's uncenter this part, and just like that, let's say you want to add an image. Simply click on elements, look for this image element, drag and drop it where you want it to be. Now place it like that in the center, for example, and then click on edit image, click on replace, and you can upload your photo from your computer or using the free images provided by the Unsplash service. After that, to publish this new blog post, clicking on this update website will not be enough. First, you need to switch the blog post status from draft to public, and then click on update website. But before this, let me show you the post settings section. When you click on it from this from the top, you will see this window. From here, you can edit your new blog post title, also the post description, URL, the author, the post date, and if you want to schedule in this schedule publishing this article. You can also edit the featured image from here. Let's pick this image, for example. Click on save. You can even edit the categories. Let's add a new category. Let's call it first category. Click on save. Now again switch from draft to public and hit update website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to blog, and this is my latest blog post. This is the title, subtitle, subtitle, and also the image. And this is how to add a blog, and this is how to start a blog on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.